This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So Uhu sent me their new sketchbooks. I'm super excited about this package because I've heard amazing things about their paper. People say it's totally awesome for markers because the ink doesn't bleed through at all, even if you use a bunch of colors. This means I can draw on both sides of the page without worrying about messy stains. The manual says it's double-sided and non-bleeding, and the paper at the back of the manual feels exactly like the inside pages. I'm surprised the paper is not thicker, it's only 150 GSM, but with 60 pages, I get it. The surface is also really smooth. This one is the glue-bound sketchbook, which is bigger. It also has lots of pages and is 150 GSM like this spiral pad. The design is simple, just a plain cover for customization. There's a cute little Uhu logo though. I'll try the spiral one first and let you know how it goes. We just finished the first sketch of Hyunjin and I'm absolutely loving it. The paper is incredibly smooth, making it easy to draw on with markers. This paper is seriously impressive and might be my new favorite for markers. I'm excited to try the larger pad next, but before we do, let's talk about today's sponsor. Squarespace is a popular all-in-one platform designed to empower everyone from beginners to established businesses to build beautiful and functional websites. They have a new feature called Design Intelligence. Basically, it's a feature that offers like preset layouts and style to streamline your design process. Now with style previews, you can see how different color palettes and fonts will look on a template before you commit. Squarespace Courses is a separate feature that allows you to create and sell online courses directly on your website. This is a great option if you have knowledge or expertise you want to share and turn into income. If this sounds interesting to you, then head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/pateseich to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. A big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. tried the looser style with the markers and I really love how this paper feels, but I noticed that light colors look darker when first applied, which is mentioned in the usage tip. They say the original color will show up once it dries. Even with that, this paper is a great value and I definitely recommend it for marker drawing. Thanks again to Ohuhu for sending these amazing papers, and thank you all for watching. See you in the next vid. Bye!